This is how to play Sine nqaba by Neyi Zimu Omega. The original key of the song is the key of G, but in this video I'll be showing you guys how to play this song using the key of G sharp, which is this key. Okay, without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. I'm gonna start first by playing the song to you guys so that you can remember it, and then I'll break it down after. Okay, so it says Sine nqaba, Sine nqaba, Sine nqaba, engu Jesu tina sile letha konke kuye Jesu nqaba yethu. Okay, it's quite easy, so let's break it down. It starts right on this chord, which is G sharp major. It's our number 1 on the major scale of the key of G sharp. Okay, it's G sharp major chord. I believe everyone can see this chord. Okay, this is G sharp major. It's our number 1. Okay, remember on G sharp we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it goes back to 1. Okay, so now we are on our number 1, G sharp major. From 1 it goes to 4, which is this chord. Okay, 4, this is C sharp major, but it's a second inversion. It's our number 4, but it's a second inversion. From 4 you go back to 1. From here you wanna play 1, but a second inversion, which is this chord. Okay, this is our number 1, but it's a second inversion. Okay, let's do it again. It says Sine nqaba 1, Sine 4 1 1, and then from here it goes to 6, which is this chord. It is built by C, F, and G sharp. This chord, this is F minor second inversion. It's 6. From 6 it goes to 5. Okay, which is D sharp major chord. This chord, I believe everyone can see it. Okay, I said it's 6, 5, and then you play 1 second inversion. Alright, let's do it again from the beginning. Sine nqaba 1, Sine 4 1 1, Sine 6 5 1, and then from here you're gonna play a D diminished chord, which is this chord. It is built by D, F, and G sharp. I believe everyone can see it. So from this chord you go to 5, D sharp major chord. From diminished it's 5. Alright, so on that part we're gonna introduce the bass. When you play your first chord on the right, on the left you go to 1. Sine nqaba, it's 1. From 1 you go to 4, 3, 1 on the left. Right, let's do it again. It's 1, 4, 3, 1, and from here you're gonna play 6, 7, 1, and then you play D, and then you play 5. Okay, I believe everyone saw it. So we're gonna go to Sile konke kuye. That part starts right here on our number 6. Okay, I believe you already know this chord. On number 6 it goes to 6. From 6 it goes to 5, D sharp major second inversion, this chord. I believe everyone can see it. It's 6, 5, and then you go to 4, C sharp major second inversion. From 4 you go to 1, You repeat 1, you play 2, which is this chord. From 2, you play 1, second inversion. You play 5, D sharp major, and then you play 1, first inversion, which is this chord. I'm gonna repeat it again for the last time. It's 6, 5, 4, 1, 1, 2, 1, 5, 1. So when you play 6 on the left, you wanna go to 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5 on the left. Okay, you stay number 5 until you play, and then you go to 1. One last time. It's 6, 5, 4, 3, 4 on the left, 5. You stay there until you play 5, and then you go to 1. All right, I'm gonna start from the beginning. It's sine nqaba 1, sine nqaba, sine nqaba, Jesu tina sile 6, letha konke kuwe Jesu nqaba, nqaba yethu.